hello, we have to find the forces in each member of this loaded truss. This is loaded by 400 kgs, which is equal to 400 multiplied by 9.81, which is equal to 3924 Newton. So the angle between this member is 30 and 60. If you draw a perpendicular line to this, so it will become 60 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree, and this angle will become 30 degree and 60 degree, it will become 90 degree. So first of all, I will take joint B. In this joint there is two unknown forces in member, like AB member, which is unknown force, which is unknown, and BC there is also force which is unknown. So and 400 kgs or 3924 Newton. So if we draw a free body diagram of joint B, so it will become AB and BC and 3924. So if you resolve it into its component, AB, it's two component, AB cos of 60 and AB sine of 60, and if you resolve BC cos of 30 degree and BC sine of 30 degree, so it is 60 degree and it is 30 degree. So BC 30 degree and AB is 60 degree. So summation of all horizontal forces acting on this joint equal to 0. The force directed toward left will be negative and the force directed toward right will be taken as positive. Okay, so negative AB cos of 60 degree, AB cos of 60 because it is directed toward left, and plus positive BC cos of 30 degree equal to 0. So AB will become equal to BC. Okay, so if I push it to the right side of the equality, so AB will become equal to BC, and this guy will become divide to this BC. So BC cos of 30 degree divide by cos of the 60 degree. So this cos of 30 degree divided by cos of 60 degree will become equal to, if you calculate on calculator, so it will become 1.7320. So AB will become equal to 1.7320 BC. Okay, for example, this is equation 1. Okay, so after that, summation of all vertical forces be equal to 0. The force directed up will be taken as positive, the force directed toward down will be taken as negative. So AB sine of 60 degree, this is up, AB sine of 60 degree because that's why it is positive. BC was sine of 30 degree, this is also up, that's why it is positive BC sine 30 degree. Negative 3924 equal to 0. Okay, so 3924 AB at the place of AB I will put this value 1.7320 BC, 1.7320 BC sine of 60 degree plus BC 30 degree, BC 30 degree. So 3924 so this is 1.7320 multiplied by sine 60 will become equal to 1.5 BC, and sine 60 sine 30 is equal to 0.25 BC. Okay, 3924 equal, so BC will become equal to 3924 divided by 2. 0.5 plus 1.5 is 2. So BC will become equal to 1962 Newton. After that, AB, if I put this BC value in this equation, so AB will become equal to 1.7320 1962. So AB equal to 3400 Newton. Okay, so after that I will take joint C. If I draw it, I will draw a free body diagram in the XY coordinate system, it will become like this. So this is the force, this is the member CA or AC, and this is member BC, this member. So BC will resolve it into its component. So BC cos of, so BC sine of 30 degree and BC cos of 30 degree, and this is the resultant force which is BC. So summation of all vertical forces equal to 0. The force directed up will be taken as positive, the force directed down will be taken as negative. So AC negative BC because it is down, BC sine of 30 degree. So AC will become equal to 0.5. At the place of BC I will take this value, so it will become AC will become equal to 981 Newton. Okay.